Model, 65-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO L2 diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 115PS Sportive H1 van body, grey, panel van mileage, 160925 engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PS E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Will make a nice clean van with a simple turbo replacement. Features, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI. Clear cap retail, £6,375. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on